so we've got 2 community after school clubs, one in Ferndale and one in Rhondda, where the young people come up with ideas for projects and fundraising ideas for their communities. So everything's run by them, everything's coming from their ideas. So we've recently done some work in the food bank through Rhondda with them volunteering, taking stock, putting packages together. In Ferndale we did a Christmas shoebox appeal where they donated and made gifts for the local hospital. We've got a charity fundraising walk coming up in the summer for Alzheimer's research, so they'll be fundraising for the community. And yeah, basically today the Rhondda guys have organised a litter pick to make their school and community a better place, and they're going out to do that to essentially tidy the place up.
As a community group, we decided that it would be best to do a litter pick because we have seen the amount of litter that's been dropped around our school, let alone out on the street. So I think it'd be very good if everyone could join us to do a litter pick around the area.
Today we're in the school litter picking as it's Mental Health Awareness Week, and we believe that a tidy environment means a tidy mind.